My dear students, today I am going to discuss the first chapter of class 7 maths. The name of the chapter is integers. So please stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Now, what are integers? Integers are a set of numbers including 0, natural numbers and the negative numbers. That means integers include 0, natural numbers and the negative numbers. Integers include 0, natural numbers and negative numbers. I think everybody knows about 0. Now, natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. That means the numbers used for counting are natural numbers. So usually counting starts from 1. We know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means starting from 1, all the numbers are natural numbers. Then negative numbers. What are negative numbers? The numbers with negative sign, minus sign. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, etc. All these numbers are called negative numbers. That is why we can write the definition of integers as Now let us find the position of integers in the number line. So this is the number line. This is the line, and this line is called number line. And there are two arrowheads. This is an arrowhead, and this is an arrowhead. These two arrowheads are pointing towards opposite direction. And 0 lies in just between natural numbers and the negative numbers. On the left side of 0 there are negative numbers, and on the right side of 0 there are natural numbers. So these are natural numbers. These natural numbers can also be called positive integers. And these are negative integers. These are negative integers, and this is this is, and this is 0. So we can find the position of any integer in the number line in this way. If we move towards the left side of 0, the positive integers become gradually larger. If we move towards the right side of 0, the positive integers become gradually larger, whereas towards the left side of 0, the negative integers gradually become smaller. This is the difference. These positive integers are in ascending order. Whereas negative integers are in descending order. Descending order. So ascending order means smaller to larger, and descending order means larger to smaller. You can see 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 3. That means the positive integers are gradually increasing. The positive integers are gradually increasing. Now, -1 and -2. These are the adjacent negative integers. Adjacent negative integers, -1 and -2. So, in between -1 and -2, -1 is greater. -1 is greater than -2. Again, -2 is greater than -3. -3 is greater than -4, and -4 is greater than -5. -5 is greater than -6. Did you understand? Did you get my point? Means negative integers are gradually decreasing. We can say that the largest or the greatest negative integer is -1. Greatest negative integer is -1. But it is impossible to find the greatest positive integers, because positive integers will go on increasing. It will go on increasing. Positive integers will go on increasing. The positive integers will not end. It will just go on increasing. That is why it is impossible to find the greatest positive integer, but we can find the greatest negative integer. The greatest negative integer is -1, and it is impossible to find the smallest negative integer. We cannot find the smallest negative integer because towards towards the left side of 0, the negative integers will go on decreasing. The negative integers will go on decreasing, not increasing, go on decreasing. You need to remember one most important thing: 0 is neither positive nor negative. That means we cannot write 0 as plus 0 or minus 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, I would like to clear one most important thing. You just look at the whiteboard. Suppose you are given two positive integers. Suppose 5 and 7, and you have to compare these two positive integers. Compare, understood? Do you understand? Compare means which one is greater and which one is smaller. So if you are asked to compare these two positive integers, then what will you do? Obviously 5 is smaller than 7. 5 is smaller than 7. 5 is smaller than 7. And if we use symbols, this will be 5 smaller than 7. But if we change the sign of these two numbers, two positive integers, that means if you are asked to compare -5 and -7, then what will we say? This answer will become opposite to the earlier answer, to the first answer. First it was 5 is smaller than 7. Now if we put minus sign, then it becomes wrong. The sign will be, this comparison sign will be this: -5 will be greater than -7. In case of negative integers, this becomes -5 is greater than, -5 is greater than -7. So can you see the difference? Can you see the difference clearly? 5, when it was 5 and 7, 5 positive integers, 5 and 7, we can say that 5 is smaller than 7. Symbolically 5 is smaller than 7. It was by using symbols. 5 is smaller than 7. Now if we put minus sign just before the integers, then it becomes -5 and -7. And what difference we can see? -5 becomes greater than -7 if we put the minus sign. If we put the minus sign before the integers, then -5 becomes greater than -7. So is that clear?